Hi, today we're going to review the Neoteric Feminine Tarot. So, it's 78 card with guidebook. Y-spell, gawa ng Y-spell. Guys, if familiar kayo sa Y-spell quality is good. You know, yung mga illustration niya, napakaganda. And affordable siya. Compare with the other tarot cards, Y-spell, parang yun siguro yung goal nila no? Maganda but quality and affordable. Affordable siya. Medyo classy din yung mga trip ni Y-spell. This one, this is for a beginner tarot readers. So, check natin. Affordable to. I think it's around kung ko-convert mo to peso, siguro mga nasa 1,200 or 1,000 something lang. This one is affordable. So, guys, kaya gusto ko siya i-check kasi ang daming tarot na ang mamahal pero hindi ganun ka-quality. But Y-spell, subok na ang Y-spell. Now, let's see. Ito yung box niya. Gilid. Very simple lang. Ayan. 78 siya. Open natin. Ito yung kanyang guidebook. Guidebook, very feminine. Parang pinkish siya. May spread. Ask 3 times, yes or no. Ayan, ang dami niyang spread din. And then, ito, colored siya. Yeah, actually, lahat colored. Then, meron siyang reverse meaning. Ang kagandahan, meron siyang reverse love meaning, reverse career meaning, reverse finances meaning. So, may upright meaning, upright career. Ang ganda nung niya, kompleto. No? Yung kanyang guidebook. So, this is really for beginners. Ayun pala yung sa box. Hindi ko napakita. Discover the incredible wisdom of the tarot and bask in all its magic. Let's proceed with the card. So, meron siyang ganyan. Unlock the sacred mystery of tarot. Then, QR code. Complimentary gift above. So, hindi ko pa siya naka-QR. Mamaya, check ko siya. So, ito yung card niya. Gold gilded. Pansin ko, kay Y-spell, mahilig talaga siya sa gold gilded. Except din sa mga classic tarot niya, ha? Na mga ganito. Mga ganito. Hindi siya gold gilded. Ayan. So, but this one, gold gilded. Yung ganito, Y-spell din, gold gilded. You see? This one, Y-spell din, gold gilded. Ang hilig nila sa gold gilded. Y-spell Tarot Classic. You see? Gold gilded. Lahat talaga gold gilded. Even the this one. Ito yung kauna-unahan kong Y-spell. Kaya nga interesado kay Y-spell. This one. Wild Reflection. If you're familiar with Wild Reflection, gold gilded din siya. Diba? So, this is Wild Reflection. Gold gilded din siya. Y-spell din. So, yun. So, of course, this one, it's a gold gilded. Okay. Ngayon, tignan muna natin yung quality ng card. Medyo makapal siya compare with the others. Itong Wild Reflection. So, makapal siya. Compare with yung unang nabili ko. Pero, naman kasi yun Wild Reflection. This one, makapal. This is the upright and this is the reverse. Ang ganda. Walang pagkakaiba. So, pwede ka magbasa ng reverse at hindi siya halata. Yung texture niya, it's matte, but matte texture na tipong hindi naman maiiwan sa kamay mo. Okay? So, start na tayo for flip through. Lalagay ko siya dito para pwede nyo ma-pause. Nakita nyo naman, may meaning siya ng upright, King of Pentacles, abundance, prosperity, security, ambition, safety, kindness, patriarchy, protectiveness, provision. And then, pag reverse mo naman siya na bunot, meron din siyang meaning. Greedy, materialistic, wasteful, chauvinist. So, may meaning din siya ng pabaliktad. Ngayon, try natin siya i-shuffle. This way. And then this way. Masarap siya i-shuffle. Hindi siya naiiwan sa kamay. Maganda siyang i-shuffle. And then, pag shuffle mo naman siya this way, okay din siya. So, overall, kung sa beginner's deck, 9 out of 10. Dahil nga sa Gold Gilded, hindi ako fine. So, magiging, ano naman ako, ito, yun nga, hindi lang talaga ako fan ng Gold Gilded. Lagi ko sinasabi. So, this one, for me, 9 out of 10 for beginners. Very affordable. Ang ganda ng guidebook. Kung baguhan ka sa pagta-tarot reading, this one is perfect for you. May meaning na siya. Taas at baba. So, matuturuan ka niya. Kasi makakabisado mo eventually yung meaning upright and reverse eh. So, yun. This is a perfect for beginners. If you have any tarot in mind, Lenormand, or oracles that you want me to review first, just comment it below. If not, I'll try to find it. Kung available. Ulit nga. Cut. If you have tarot and if you have a tarot in mind, Lenormand or oracles, maybe available na siya here. If not, I'll try my best to find it. Just comment it below. See you in my next video. Bye!